Have you ever wondered why some people seem to lose weight easily while others not, no matter how hard they try? What if I told you the secret to rapid weight loss isn't about starving yourself or spending hours at the gym? In the next 10 minutes, I'll tell you 5 steps that can help you lose weight quickly. You'll wonder why no one told you sooner. Oh, and stay tuned till the end for a special bonus tip that could make all the difference in your weight loss journey. Today's video is especially for those amazing people out there who are balancing work, family, and life, but still want to feel confident in their bodies. We're going to reveal 5 simple steps that you can easily practice to achieve rapid weight loss. These are not just tips. These are methods that have worked for many, including myself. And trust me, they really do make a difference. But before we get started, remember to watch till the end, where I'll share a bonus tip for your weight loss journey. So, let's jump right in. Alright, so step 1 is incredibly easy to implement. Add a healthy acid to your meals. I know what you're thinking. Healthy acid? What does that have to do with weight loss? Well, let me explain. When we eat, our body converts the food into glucose. Glucose is stored as fat when it's in high amounts in the blood. But here's the trick. Acids like apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, or even a simple glass of vinegar water before a meal can reduce this glucose spike by up to 34%. A little study will blow your mind. 2 groups were given the exact same meal. Let's say pasta. One group consumed apple cider vinegar before eating, and the other didn't. The vinegar group had a much less glucose increase. Why does this matter? Because lower glucose spikes mean less fat storage. And don't worry, you don't have to guzzle down vinegar with every meal. Even just adding a bit of lemon juice to your salad or having a glass of lemon water before lunch can help. This step alone can boost your fat burning potential by 40%. Imagine how much faster you can reach your goals by just making this one small change. Step 2 is all about timing and order. And no, I'm not talking about exercise here. What if I told you that simply changing the order in which you eat your food could help you lose weight? Sounds crazy, right? But science says otherwise. In a study conducted on diabetic patients, 2 groups were given the exact same meal, but they ate it in a different order. One group started with carbs and ended with veggies, while the other did the opposite. The result? The group that started with veggies had a much lower glucose spike by up to 75%. Here's why this works. Vegetables are full of fiber, and when you eat them first, they create a sort of protective shield in your intestines, which slows down the absorption of everything else you eat. This keeps your energy levels steady and prevents those annoying sugar crashes that lead to cravings. So, next time you sit down for a meal, start with a salad. It's such a simple change, but it can speed up your fat loss by more than 50%. Plus, it'll keep you feeling fuller for longer, so you're less likely to reach for that unhealthy snack later. On to step 3. And no, I'm not suggesting you hit the gym after every meal. In fact, it's quite the opposite. A 2016 study found that just a 10-minute light walk after a meal was more effective at lowering blood sugar levels than a 30-minute walk at other time of the day. Why? Because when you move after eating, your muscles immediately use the glucose from your meal, preventing it from being stored as fat. The best part? This doesn't have to be anything intense. Walking in the house will help you burn off the food fast. Here's a little secret. In ancient Ayurveda, it's suggested to sit in a pose called Vajrasana for 10 minutes after eating. This pose helps improve digestion and metabolism. But if sitting on the floor isn't your thing, no worries. Just get up and move a little and you'll be surprised by the results. Let's talk about step 4. Now, before you freak out and think I'm telling you to give up carbs altogether, don't worry, I'm not. But here's a little tweak that can make a huge difference. Carbs are basically glucose, and when you eat them alone, they increase your blood sugar. The bigger the spike, the more fat your body will store. But here's a simple hack. Combine your carbs with protein, fats, or fiber. For example, instead of eating a plain slice of bread, add some peanut butter. The protein from the peanut butter will slow down the absorption of the carbs, reducing that glucose spike and helping you lose weight more effectively. Studies have shown that when people add protein to a carb-rich meal, they store 80% less fat. So, the next time you're about to reach for a carb-heavy snack, think about pairing it with some nuts, cheese, or yogurt. It's a small change, but it can have a big impact on your weight loss journey. Finally, step 5 is probably the easiest and most enjoyable. We all know that sleep is important, but did you know it can be a game changer for weight loss? When you don't get enough sleep, your body goes into a state of stress. This messes with your hormones, especially leptin and ghrelin, the ones that control your hunger and satiety. A major study found that when you're sleep deprived, your body produces 18% less leptin, the hormone that tells you you're full, and more ghrelin, the hormone that makes you hungry. This means that when you're tired, not only do you eat more, but you also crave high-calorie, sugary foods. And we all know where that leads. So, make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Trust me, your waistline will thank you for it. And here's a quick tip. Try to keep a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Your body loves routine, and sticking to a regular sleep pattern can help regulate your metabolism, making it easier to lose weight. Now, as promised, here's the bonus tip that can take your weight loss journey to the next level. This might seem like common sense, but it's often overlooked. You can eat the healthiest food in the world, but if you're eating too much of it, you're still going to struggle with weight loss. A simple way to manage your portions is by using smaller plates and bowls. Studies have shown that people who use smaller plates tend to eat less without feeling deprived. It's a psychological trick that really works. And here's something cool. Did you know that the size of your plate can influence how much you eat by up to 30%? So next time you're about to serve yourself a meal, opt for a smaller plate. It's a small change that can make a big difference over time. So, there you have it. 5 proven steps for rapid weight loss that are perfect for busy people like you. And remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight. Small, consistent steps can lead to big results. Try incorporating these tips into your routine, and you will be amazed at how much easier it is to lose weight and keep it off. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be on a weight loss journey. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more tips and advice to help you live your healthiest life. Thank you so much for watching, and stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.